Ina ni Maggie Wilson, inaresto. Ibinahagi ng TV, social media personality, model, at negosyanteng si Maggie Wilson ang ilang detalye tungkol sa pagkakaaresto umano ng kanyang ina nitong Huwebes, 11 ng Oktubre. A few moments ago, multiple police officers came to arrest my mom, saad ni Maggie sa kanyang Instagram story. My mother has looked after our son and you through thick and thin. You hit a new low. P.S. Everything has been and will continue to be documented in detail. The government wouldn't listen, and the justice system wouldn't listen, but I'm sure the rest of the world will. One man is about to bring great shame to our country. Sa isa pang hiwalay na story, sinabi niyang inaresto umano ang kanyang ina dahil sa akusasyon ng karnapang. My 64-year-old mother was arrested this morning for karnapang. She doesn't have a license, let alone knows how to drive. #only in the Philippines, dagdag pa niya. Kamakailan ay naging trending pa si Maggie dahil sa isiniwalat niyang pagpapakalat ng fake news at smear campaign laban sa kanya at sa negosyo niya. Matatanda ang maraming TikTok influencers na umaming binayaran umano sila upang gawin iyon kay Maggie. Samantala, wala pang update si Maggie kung kumusta ang lagay ng kanyang inang si Sonia Wilson.